Hi friends, welcome to Smarter Every Moment. In this video, I will show you how to use Sabja seeds or sweet basil seeds or Tulsi seeds for weight loss. Before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell for further updates. Let's start the video. Sabja seeds are very famous in Ayurveda. They are full of fiber and keep your stomach fuller for longer time, reduce your appetite and prevents overeating. In this way, it will help you in weight loss. It is very low in calorie. 1 teaspoon of sabja seeds contains only 2 to 4 calories. It is very good for skin and hair. It is rich in ALA acid, which helps in fat burning metabolism in our body. They are rich in antioxidant and also improves immunity. They relieve in constipation, bloating and control blood sugar. They reduce our body heat. They help in calming down senses and uplifting moods, may keep issues like depression and anxiety away. They are very good for respiratory system. So they are full of goodness. Let's see how to use them for weight loss and for overall healthy body. First, in the normal water, we are adding half tablespoon of sabja seeds and mixing them well, and we must soak the sabja seeds in the water at least for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can see that the sabja seeds will start expanding. After that, we are adding the fresh lemon juice of half of a lemon and we will mix them well. Now we will add 1 teaspoon honey with it. You can skip honey if you don't want. And we will mix them very well. So our weight loss drink of sabja seeds is ready. It is also good for overall body health. And it is very tasty and it is crunchy. Sabja seeds are very easily available in market and they are very cheap. You can consume this drink any time in the day. So friends, try this weight loss drink. I am sure you will surely be benefited. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.